right? Everyone is created a GitHub account. This is the test folder. Within that one sample notepad file I've created. Within that, some test here kind of message is available. This one I'm going to upload into the my GitHub repository. I will share that GitHub repository link. You need to follow the steps, whatever the steps I'm going to provide it. You need to follow the steps and clone the project. Whether you are cloning or not, we need to test today. Guys, see this one. First of all, this is my workspace. This is my workspace. This workspace is, I need to push that workspace information to my local repository, right? So this is my local repository. This is the local repository. And let us assume this is my workspace. This workspace level, whatever information is there, that information I need to push into my local repository. Okay. For that purpose, what is the command I need to use? Git init. Initialization, it is required. So that functionality, if I want to achieve, you need to install the git bash. Okay, git bash, you need to install that one. Once you are installed, you can see pop-up level git bash here like that. Okay, click this one. Whenever I'm going to click this one, this is the way it is going to opening. Okay, here commands we need to use. What is the first command? Git init, initialization. Whenever I'm going to using, see this one, dot git folder is, it is going to create it. Generally, it is not visible. Hidden value, hidden folders also we are going to visible. Go to the view and change it that one. That's the reason we are able to see this folder. Okay. Now, what is there? This workspace level one file is there. This file is, it is attached in this local repository? No. How do you know that one? What are attached, what are not attached? How do you know that one? That is the purpose. Git status. Git status. It is going to say sample.txt file is not at all added. If you want to add, this is the command you can use like that. It is specified. So now I need to attach. How to attach? Git add space file name. Suppose more files are there. It's not a one single file. You can use dot. All files it is going to add it. Whether it is added or not, how do you know that one? Again, git status. Previously red color is there, now green color. That means my workspace level files are moved to the local repository. This information I need to commit and send that information to the remote repository. Remote repository level, I need to push the code. So for that purpose, this information I need to commit. How to commit? What is the command I need to use here? Commit command. Git commit on message. First commit or whatever you want, you can provide the message. Right? But how do you know remote repository where it is available? So that information I need to provide. I'm going to create the new repository. I'm going to using here test app. Already it is there. Okay, I'm going to using demo. I'm going to provide it. Repository name is demo. Here I need to specify create repository. This is remote repository level I've created. So this is the remote repository address. Here commands also it is available. I'm going to using this command. Okay, I'm going to using this command. Generally, whenever I'm going to push, it is going to pushing automatically. In case it is not at all pushing, how to do? how to upload this one. We are going to ignoring that work. How to upload? I will show. Git push upstream origin. I need to specify this is the master. There is no main branch, master branch only. It is going to pop up like this. Here, generally, we are going to providing my GitHub repository name, and we need to provide password and click login. Generally, it is going to pushing. But some reason, some kind of security that this laptop level, that credentials, it is not accepted. Okay, so here I'm going to provide it even it is going to pop up. Okay, so here that password also, even I'm going to provide the correctly also, it is going to say authentication was removed on August 13 and remote. Please see, it is going to say it is not authentication kind of one is removed. It is going to provide the information. Please observe this one. Support for password authentication was removed on August 13, 2021. Remote, please see the documentation. See the documentation. Why it is going to get this error? We need to see this one, right? This information we need to check. Authentication failed for GitHub Chandra Biji. This is the one we are getting. So this information I need to opening, but even you are not aware also, simply we are going to pushing that one. I will show that one, but you need to understand here why it is failed. Okay, what is the problem? You need to understand. That is the reason I'm going to opening this one. So about remote repository, report repository, this is the information. A remote URL is Git fancy way of saying the place where your code is stored. So something you can provide that one. This is the information. Add origin remote URL. This associate the name origin with the remote URL, and you can change that one. So, okay, choose a URL for your remote repository. That is also okay, fine. Managing repositories also okay. Cloning SSH URL okay. Cloning with GitHub CLI. Cloning with Subversion. Something it is provided. Git password. Catching credentials. Set your username. Set username. About username. See how to set this name. Username. Okay. Now I'm going to provide this information. Whenever you are going to get this kind of error, first go to the username setting. Okay, so I'm going to using this commands only. Please observe. Please observe here already it is available. Git config hyphen global. After that user dot name space Chandra PC. That is the my username. I'm going to provide it. Okay. So we need to check whether it is username is set or not. Git space config space hyphen global user dot name. I'm going to using. See, it is set at the name. Name is set at. So this name where it is available. Here it is available. GitHub username is this is the one. Okay, that name only I'm going to provide it. So username is set it properly. That is the purpose this command we are going to using. Okay, next setting your git bash level. Set see open git bash, change the current working directory to the local repository where you want to configure the name that is associated with your git commits. You can provide this kind of way. Here git command this kind of way also you can use. What is that command? We need to use the same kind of command, but here git config globally we are not at all using. Simply you can provide user.name, you can provide and you can press enter. Okay. After that, you can see this command and see it is going to set that one. So this is the way username we are going to provide it. Username we are going to specify. Okay. Next, caching. If you are cloning GitHub repository using HTTPS, we recommend to use Git CLI or Git Credential Manager to remember your credentials. I need to use Windows based. I need to perform this one. Okay. So here, how to open that Git Credential Manager GCM? How to open? We need to understand this one. See here. CLI will automatically store your Git credentials for you when you choose HTTPS as your preferred protocol for Git. Okay, so install the CLI. Okay, so how to install? Open this one, install this one CLI. So this is the Mac level. This is the installation process is Mac level, Linux, Windows level. Okay, Windows level, this is the one. This is the upgrade kind of one. So I need to use this one and try to install. Okay, try to install. GH is available via winget to scoop, like that different commands we can use. I'm trying to using that command. It is not required just if you are facing any kind of error. Okay, if you are going to facing any kind of error, then only you are going to provide permissions are denied. Permissions are denied. See this one. Some security is there in my laptop. That is the reason winget is permission denied. So generally, if you are getting any kind of errors in our laptop level without any kind of errors, these kind of errors, you can able to get that one, not a problem. Okay, and we need to set the password also. How to set the password? See the command here. Git credential manager, managing your personal access token, catching your credentials. Okay, here these are all settings purpose. Even you can able to use the command prompt through also. You can able to use this one. This is difficult to do your own. So then how to push the code? How to clone that project? Right? That is the purpose. Here it is, one option is available. Generally, if you are following these commands, it is going to push the file into the GitHub. In case any kind of security reasons it is stopping, you need to go to here, upload and existing files. Okay. So I'm going to click this one. It is going to opening like this. Whatever the workspace is there, that workspace I need to open. Go to the my workspace again. With my workspace here, new HTML and React is inside. I've created one folder. One test folder is created. Okay. Here, file is available. This file I need to push into this my GitHub repository. Okay. So what I need to do, select this one and drag and drop. Drag and drop. So once I'm drag and drop, it is going to upload automatically. Okay. Here I'm going to writing any kind of demo file. Okay. And commit changes. See this one file is available. Okay. File is remote repository. Now my workspace level file is I'm uploading to my remote repository. So this is I'm going to done, right? This whole process is in my laptop level. I'm going to provide it. I am here. Okay, let us assume I am here. Now someone is cloning this repository to your laptops. Suppose Razu want to clone sample file. That information I need to provide that one. How to provide? So take this information. This is the one. This URL, my GitHub URL, I'm going to copy and paste into the chat box. Are you able to accessing Razu chat? If you are not able to accessing, type. Okay. Where you need to type? You are installed GitHub in Git Bash. Yes, you are shared, right. Now, go to any kind of workspace and create the one folder. Folder, first you need to create the folder. Wait. Folder, open the folder. Here itself, React.js inside, go to the one folder. React.js inside. Mouse right button, go to the new folder. Okay, give it is any name. Git workspace, something you can use. Folder names level, you cannot give the spaces. Only one word you can give. Don't use any space. Git workspace or Git work, anything. Okay. Open that folder. Now mouse right button you need to click and open the Git bash show more. Now Git bash here. Here you need to use command. What is the command you need to use? I will tell you. Git space clone. Git space clone. CLONE space. My URL already pasted in the chat box. https:// copy paste that one. You are able to accessing chat message. Yes, copy. 2 times I'm paste that one. Okay, just copy. Go to the Git bash. Mouse right button need to click. Paste. And press enter. It is doing cloning. Clone to, I think it is a demo is missing. D only it is going to get. That is actually demo.git is required. Control C you can use. Sir, it's not fully copied. It's not fully copied. Control C. Not breaking up. Otherwise, close that git bash and again open. Now it is okay. Now give git space clone. Same URL. Copy paste. Demo.git is required. It is missing. CLONE space. Space. Right click and paste and add whatever it is missing. Don't press enter. No. Remove that one. Git to clone only. URL copy paste. Whatever already copied na, right click, mouse right button you need to click and paste. First one is correct. First link is correct. Git space clone space mouse right button you need to click and paste. Now it is correct. Okay. So now it is going to get that file. See, go to your folder. That sample file is there or not? Check. So demo is project is getting open that one. right? Sample is there, right? Open that sample. Some test here like that, it is message is there, right? Some test here, right? So now my laptop level file is you are able to access. Okay, right. Now go to close this one. Close this file. Close your git bash also, and go to the react.js folder. Go to the react.js folder.